Hi guys, welcome to Ignite Career YouTube channel. In today's video, we have an exciting topic to cover: how to create a custom node in Node-RED. In our previous video, we have received several comments asking about custom node creation, so that we thought of addressing that today. Let's dive into the session and get started. So today we will be creating a simple node that convert uppercase words to lowercase words. So let's start building the nodes. I have already set up the prerequisites. There are a couple of prerequisites before building the nodes, and we will go through those together. The prerequisites for building a nodes are the package.json file, backend JavaScript file, and frontend HTML file. So there should be these three files in order to create a node. So I have created all those things over here. We will go through it. I will just show it by opening my Visual Studio. So this is the package.file JSON file we have created. So a package.json file, it's a standard file used by Node.js modules to describe their contents inside it. So in here we can see this is the name of the node, npm node, Node-RED contrib lowercase. Okay, and we can see the version details, description of a small description of the node, and Node-RED nodes. So this is a key part in the JSON package.json file, and this and name, and some keywords that relates these nodes. Author of the node, definitely Ignite Careers, and what kind of license we are using, and dependencies. So a node version, Node-RED version of greater than 1.0.0 will be supported. So this is all what contained inside a package.json file. The next one is the backend file. So this backend file is used to perform the backend functionality, where there's you can see it over here, the comments like something coming, string coming, it will check for a uppercase, and if it is uppercase, it will directly convert into lowercase using this lowercase to lowercase function. And this all are some, we can see it over here, modules.function.read. These are some node registry creation part, and here the node register type creation. These all are included. I'm not going to detail into this part. And this will be the HTML file. This is what which give a look and feel to the node. So we can see that this is the category. So those who are very familiar to Node-RED, we will be understanding that function. So function is a category that comes under the Node-RED nodes palette, and we can define the color of the nodes and how many inputs and how many outputs will be there. We can give the icon, custom icons to the node, and these all are defined inside the HTML file part. Okay. So I have created those nodes inside a Node-RED nodes. Now, in order to publish or install these nodes, we need to go to the Node-RED installation folder location. So I'm just opening this PC and I'm just going to that location. It will be by default in a Windows PC location. It will be installed inside Windows C folder and under users, and the user, there we can see .node-RED. So this is the location, installation location of that folder. So from here we need to call that location. That's so this development, I have done the development in desktop itself inside a folder called Node-RED. So in order to that, I'm just opening a prompt window, command prompt window over here, and installing like npm install install the location of the my service. So this is my location. If I am opening a prompt window here, I can get the location. So this is my location. Okay, so I just copied that one, and I'm just going to the prompt window where I have opened in Node-RED location. So install, I'm just pasting that location over here. So after just pressing enter, we can see that added one package in less than 40 to 427 milliseconds. So in order to confirm whether it is added, we can just go to the package.json file inside the node/red. In some scenarios, this .node-red files folders won't be visible. And what we need to do there is like, we need to just ensure that hidden folders or hidden files can be seen. We just need to set that where hidden items are shown. And if we go to the package.json file of the .node-red file, we can see here .node-red contrib case and the file location of it. That's it. And this node inside the node modules, we can see .node-red contrib lowercase. That's it. We have installed that, and now we can open a prompt window where we can give node, where we need to see it, right? What we have installed over there. And we can just open a localhost 1880. So here we can see under functions, you can see it over here, lowercase, and the same description what we have given in our HTML file. We can see a simple node that convert message payload into lowercase characters. So now we will just drag and drop it over here, and we will put a debug window, and we will put a inject. Just connect it together, and I'm going to name it as ignite lowercase. And here I'm just injecting a string that is ignite carriers, and I'm deploying it. So in here I have given all in uppercase. In normal scenario, what we are passing inside the inject, it will be got in the has what we are passing it over here, the same thing we will be getting in the debug. Now we have used a in between node, lowercase node, what we have constructed now. Using that, we can see the result. Now we can see the result over here in the payload session, that it has got converted into lowercase. So we have passed here the ignite carrier in uppercase, and using our node, lowercase node, it has converted into the lowercase. So that's it, guys. So this is a very quick session to address this Node-RED node building part. If you have any similar comments, please pin it under this video. And if you need this codes that build, also please comment it below. Okay then, bye-bye. We'll see in our next video.